Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to another video today. And today is new car pickup day. So we're going to go and pick up, I'm going to go and pick up a new project for the channel. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good one. Obviously I put a little sneak on Instagram about the vehicle itself. So if you haven't already, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where you can see sneak peeks of what's coming up and what I'm doing during the day before the videos come out on YouTube. So yeah, just a little sneak peeks of stuff going up before. And obviously, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and all that good stuff. Like, share, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it, guys. If you haven't already. So yeah, let's just jump into it. Let's get this. Let's have a look around this car. And yeah, it's outside, and let's do this, guys. Guys, wow. What a car this is. Just looks awesome, just looks incredible, I tell you. Never thought I'll be actually fixing a Fiat 500 Abarth, and it's a 595 Turismo. 2014 plate, and it's done 39,000 miles. Obviously front end damage, you can really see that, but we'll get into that in a second. But just looks incredible, like really. It's obviously got some bits and pieces that I do want to sort out, like the roof. I'll show you that quickly. That's the roof part. See, this is a little bit faded, so gonna get all that peeled off there and possibly repaint this plastic piece, this spoiler, and then sort out the actual canvas for this roof. The actual roof works like spot on. It's nothing wrong with the actual mechanisms and that sort of the roof. It's just, look at it, it's just a state. So it just needs a good clean, and then maybe some fabric restorer, something, I don't really know, but it just looks really bad. So definitely want to sort of do a bit of work on the roof, and obviously we've got the front end damage. But yeah, look at it, it's just incredible. These wheels are in really good condition, guys, as well. We got a little bit of scuff in here, and a little bit at the bottom on this one, but all in all four actual alloys are really good. And the tyres, sorry, they've got nearly, like, these back ones are brand new, and then the front ones are nearly new. A little bit of wear on those front ones, but these are Pirelli Sport 01s. Is it 01s? Neon 0, P0, Nero, whatever. Yeah, Pirelli Sport tyres all round, all matching, and yeah, it looks really good. It's got really decent. It's got a slight lip on these discs, so yeah, I think they're going to be all right. But I think they're quite expensive to change them ones. And obviously you've got the front end damage here, guys. Wing, bonnet, bumper, obviously crash bar, slam panel, all that sort of front end parts. You've got some damage to the intercooler there, so that's going to have to be replaced. Various wires are sort of hanging out and stuff, so I've got to get into that. Hopefully it's just a lot to do with the actual light itself, these xenon headlights. Hopefully it's a lot to do with that. If not, we're just doing a little bit of wiring on that. Bonnet, windscreen, obviously all the airbags go off inside as well, and I'll show you that in a second. But let's just go around the front. A lot of these trims I can reuse, so I can reuse this trim here that goes on the front, the Abarth trim, and this trim I think it's going to be alright as well to use. Mind you, it's a little bit dirty and a little bit scuffy, might just change it. But yeah, convertible Fiat 500 595 Turismo, Abarth. Never thought that I'll be doing an actual Abarth. Like, I've never thought get to be able to do Fiat 500s, because I was going up too high at Copart. But now I'm using the other company, just seems to be absolutely smashing it, guys. Nice little plates there that I showed you in the video. Got a grey leather interior, these bucket seats, and obviously the leather, there's no rips. I've checked all the leather, there's no rips. They're just dirty, scuffy, just need a good clean. Quite like them actually. It comes off quite well. Yeah, and obviously got to do a new dash, airbag kit and stuff like that. These are obviously just gone off. I've just put that in place. So yeah, it's a really nice gear lever as well. You can see, like, it's got like a, yeah, I don't know what that is, but I've never seen it before. Must be in a Abarth thing, yeah. But I think there's an issue with this boot. It don't open very well, and it's got to do with this actual, like, this catch here underneath. And what there is, I don't think I can show you because it's at an angle. So right underneath there, you've got two pins. One goes that way in, and then one goes that way into the mechanism. I think the pins, just over time, they sort of come loose and come out. So I just need to take this apart and push the pins back in both sides, and then that should be okay to use. If not, we'll just replace the actual switch. But yeah, it's really decent on the back. Nice exhaust system on the back, and the actual back box for the exhaust system goes right underneath, right across. It's massive. So yeah, sensors as well, reversing sensors, guys. And yeah, it's just an incredible car, and the noise this thing makes is just unbelievable. And as you obviously, as you come in on the dash, you got our bath there. It does run and drive. That noise that this thing makes is just you got a sport button which comes up here on the dash, but as I press the sport button, you'll see that the actual dials change a little bit, and I'll show you. So as you press the sport button like that, and then when you rev it, it goes up here, and obviously this is the rev counter here. The noise that this thing makes. Guys, that is incredible. It's got obviously water in the header tank, I've already checked, but it burbles like just over tick over. Crazy, absolutely crazy. So what a nice car. And not only that, you could be flying down the country roads with the top down, and it goes right back. Look at that. What a noise that's going to make when you're driving down the country roads. Very, very fast hot hatch, guys, when this is fixed. Very, very quick hot hatch it's going to be. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. I think it's a 1.4. I've looked into it. I think it's a 1.4 turbo. So yeah, it's got these lovely brushed aluminium, solid aluminium caps on top. Got this Abarth by BMC air filter. Not quite sure what this is, guys. If anyone knows what that is all about, let me know if that is standard. It is holding water as well. It's got in the header tank there, you can see. It's a little bit low at the moment, but it is holding water, so that's good. So yeah, there you go. This is one of our, the newest projects. Can't believe I got it as well. I was looking at it, I was thinking it's going to go up too high. It's going to go up too high, and it didn't, to be honest with you. But I managed to win this for 2,800 quid with all fees. That's included all fees, 2,800 quid. So I don't know, spend £1,000 on it, and what is it worth? 6 grand? Don't know, guys, but just what a lovely little car this is. So yeah, the roof works absolutely spot on. No problem at all with that. And locks in place. All right, let's turn her off. So there we go. We have ourselves a Fiat 500 a bath, 595 Turismo. It's just that roof that really does, apart from obviously the front end, guys, because it's smashed up, but this roof just lets it down. It really does let it down. I've got to do something with this. It definitely needs a clean. It definitely needs a clean, a scrub up. But I don't know if you can you know, because I just want it to look. It just looks faded. It just looks horrible. The roof looks just horrible like that. I want it jet black, like so that it just looks. I don't know. Tell me what you think, guys. But this needs painting, really, and it really does need. I don't know if that needs painting the same colour as the roof, so it all matches through. Do you know what I mean? So that the same colour, right, matching through, I think. Yeah, it's the only thing that lets this car down is that bloody roof. I've got to do something with that. I've got to sort it out. But I can't wait to get this fixed and take this out on the road, because this will be so much fun. It's unbelievable how much fun this is going to be. Great little hot hatch this is. So there we go, guys. That is it. That is the new project. I'm going to get into this one after the other Fiat 500 Sport has been done. We'll do that tomorrow. I'll start that tomorrow, so I'll start filming on that one tomorrow, that 500 Sport. But for now, that is going to be it. Thanks for all the support. Hope you like this one, guys. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about this Abarth. And yeah, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.